Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the control so recording is available immediately. Open Settings, tap Control Center, then add Screen Recording. This makes the red record button appear when you swipe. Once done, make sure microphone is enabled by long pressing the control later if you want voiceover. That's why you adjust it now. Also charge the phone or turn on Do Not Disturb to prevent pop-ups that break the video. This reduces editing time and keeps your capture clean. You swipe down from the top right to open Control Center and long press the screen recording icon to reveal options. This step gives you control over audio. Toggle microphone on if you need commentary, because internal audio versus external makes a big difference in clarity. Once your choices are set, tap Start Recording. A 3-second countdown begins so you can prepare the screen. Remember to navigate to the app or content you want recorded right after the countdown. Movement before recording saves trimming later. You finish by tapping the red status bar at the top and confirming stop, or return to Control Center and tap the record icon again. This immediately saves the file to Photos. Once saved, open Photos to review and use built-in trimming to cut intro or ending. This streamlines sharing. If you don't hear audio, check microphone permissions in Settings, verify microphone was enabled when you started, and restart the app. Often a quick restart resolves permission glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.